Our facility is located in Danville, Kentucky. Here at this facility, we manufacture diesel engine-driven generators. Our products wind up in some pretty unique places, some pretty neat applications. For example, our prime power generators will show up, you'll see them at outdoor events, outdoor concerts, military operations. Another application that happens, unfortunately, is after major disasters here in the United States, where the infrastructure, especially coastal areas, will get completely wiped out for months. And that's where our products will come in, and we look at it as a service, where a product comes in and provides electricity to help operate some of the infrastructure for at least as good a quality of life as you can get until the infrastructure is built back. We're a paint package and assembly facility. We buy a bunch of components. They're shipped in here, and we have detailed work instructions where we teach our people how to put them together.
Our assembly operation, I like to describe as being almost like custom building the generator. So our employees are working in small groups, typically 1 to 3 people that have a group of things that they need to do at that station of the assembly process. And so they collaboratively and cooperatively are working together to accomplish that list of tasks. So it's not at all to sit in one place, perform a repetitive, monotonous job that most people think of as assembly.
But one of the most critical parts to our process is the painting technology. We recently did an expansion where we put in latest state-of-the-art e-coating and rust preventive and powder coating technologies. In that particular area, we bring in sheet metal. It's raw sheet metal from the fabricator. We wash it, we rust prevent it, metal treat it. Then we put it through an environmental friendly e-coat wet paint, and then it goes through a baking process, and then it goes through a powder coat technology where we put the perimeter cabinet, a real high gloss, high quality polyester TGIC powder coating over the cabinet, and then it goes to another bake oven. That's all done prior to assembly. Then when it goes to the assembly line, we have 10 different stations down 2 assembly lines, and each person is trained on how to take the components in their workstations and put it together from beginning to end. When it rolls on the line, it starts out with an engine and an alternator. When it comes off the other end, it's a finished product.
Manufacturing at times has maybe suffered from an image problem. The assumption that many people have when they think of manufacturing is that it's a dark, dirty, nasty, smelly place to work, and you work long hours and it's not very rewarding. That's not really modern manufacturing, certainly not our workplace. What I think is more important for folks to realize is that their lives are touched every day by products that people go to work to manufacture. It takes place in manufacturing plants like ours and thousands of others all over the state and all over the country.
I've spoken in depth quite a bit about the quality of our products and the quality of our design. One of the things that I'm the most proud of, and I think our strongest part of the facility here in Danville, Kentucky, is our employees. We really have a good group of employees here. That's probably the strongest part to the company.
In every job, especially in manufacturing, one of the critical components of that work is being able to adapt to the situation because it changes on a regular basis. So we look for folks that have good problem solving and critical thinking skills, who can assess a situation, figure out what needs to be done. Things don't always work out exactly the way they're designed, and as a result then folks have to adapt, be able to think on their feet, collaborate with others and solve problems. So those are very important skills. The communications process and being able to express your thoughts and discuss and share ideas is also very important in literally every job. All of our full-time jobs we post with the State Employment Service, Kentucky Career Center. Applications are received there, and then we go through the selection and screening process like most employers do. So that's the primary route for folks that are interested in full-time employment with Denyo.